Hey guys, Mike Byrne with the Miniroots Minute. The Miniroots Minute is 60 seconds or less on one topic of gardening. All the tips and tools you can use in that 1 minute to get you specific results, get you over 90% of what you need when you need it, and get you back out in the garden. It's also got links to the other resources, the longer videos, those 37, 15, 20-minute videos you need with pretty music and details. But we'll have links to that stuff. You don't necessarily have to watch it to get the information you need. We'll also have links to useful tools and apps that can help you with growing your garden. And look, as a father of a family of 4, as an engineer, as an entrepreneur, I just straight up don't have the time. And you shouldn't have to be taking the time watching videos and searching for this information. You should be taking these tips, get them to work in your garden, go on, find another tip. Hey, I need to grow in tiny spaces. I need garden towers. Or hey, my tomatoes are having pests. Or hey, I've got a squash plant that won't be trained. Those topics, that's it, nothing else. That's a Miniroots Minute. We'll get you back out in that garden so you can get growing. Thanks. We'll see you in the garden.